from a man in the rain. Said it once belonged to a preacher turned insane. The threads were worn, the wood smelled like sin, and the case had a warning carved deep within. Plugged it in and the amp caught fire. Every note I played felt like a funeral choir. It moaned like thunder, it cried like pain, and the devil tapped his foot to my refrain. It's the devil's tune, baby, and it plays too clean. Every chord's a confession, every solo's mean. Got a little too much soul, a little too much bite. It'll steal your dreams and howl all night. The devil's tune up, ain't no fixing this sound. Once you strum it, you're hellbound. Played a gig in a bar with no name. The lights went out, but the crowd stayed the same. They danced like shadows, drank like ghosts, and the jukebox hissed out a warning post. I tried to pawn it in a town near the bend, but the shopkeeper cried, boy, that axe don't end. Now I play for the lost, the cursed, the damned, and the devil still smiles with a drink in his hand. And the crowd don't clap, they just feel